Einstein special relativity and Einstein general relativity are all wrong theories. Special relativity is wrong at quantum level. Einstein did not understand special relativity. Because special relativity is wrong at quantum level, Einstein general relativity is a wrong theory. Einstein special relativity and Einstein general relativity are all wrong theories. The Nobel Laureates, the greatest scientists, your professors, did not understand gravitation because they didn't understand special relativity. You learn from your professor from your books. Special theory of relativity implies a wide range of consequences which has been experimentally verified, including length contraction, time dilation, relativistic mass-energy equivalence, universal speed limit to the speed of light. Time dilation in special relativity, the slowing down of a clock as determined by an observer who is in relative motion with respect of the clock. Simultaneity is required to make a comparison of the rates of clocks carried by the two observers. A clock moving with respect to an observer appears to run slower than an identical clock at rest with respect to the observer. The theory of time dilation was proved with two very accurate atomic clocks. The atomic clocks were synchronized and one was taken on a high speed on an airplane. Einstein, in his well-known paper, Special Relativity in 1905, he considered that when two clocks were brought together and synchronized, and then one was moved away and brought back, the clock which had undergone the traveling would be found to be lagging behind the clock which had stayed put. Einstein considered this to be a consequence of time dilation in special relativity, not a paradox. Einstein discovered special relativity in 1905, with Minkowski providing his graphical representation in 1908. The first diagram used a branch of the unit hyperbola t squared minus x squared equal 1. Max Born in 1920 drew Minkowski diagrams by placing Ct prime axis almost perpendicular to the x-axis as well as the Ct axis to the x prime axis to demonstrate length contraction time dilation in the symmetric case of two rows and two clocks moving in opposite direction. Time dilation effects, the Lorentz factor, values for Lorentz factor gamma equal the Lorentz factor of gamma now equal 1 divided by square root of 1 minus v squared divided by c squared. Let's see some values for the Lorentz factor. For v divided by c equals 0.1, gamma is equal to 1.005. For v divided by c is 0.9, gamma equal to 2.294. How you can see gamma only start to become large at speed close to c. Yes. Low speed gamma is not so big. For example, in an electron accelerator used to treat cancers, the electrons have an energy of 20 megaelectron volts. The speed of such electron is 0.9997 multiplied by c, and gamma is 40. The length of any object in a moving frame will appear contracted in the direction of motion, length contraction. That said, from 1959 to 2023, all the scientists, the Nobel Laureates didn't understand particle collisions. They didn't understand what they collide. They didn't understand what the electron is. They didn't understand what the proton is. The interpretation of time dilation, which you have learned from Einstein, from your professor, from your books, from the greatest scientists, is wrong. Referring quantum gravity, Einstein or Nobel Laureates, the greatest scientists or professors did not understand special theory of relativity and general theory of relativity. Gravity. They did not find a quantum interpretation like referring quantum gravity. I discovered what the electron is. The electron is composed of photon and dark matter electron. Dark matter electron is the dark matter inside the electron. Particle collisions are photon collisions. That is why the particle accelerator decided not to understand what they collide, because they do not understand what the electron is. All scientists did not understand what happens in particle accelerator. The moon. What's the moon? The moon is an electron with a speed of 0.99998 multiplied by 6. The moon is composed of photon and dark matter electrons. The standard model is wrong because the electron, the moon, the down quark, and up quark are not elementary particles. The frequency of the photon inside the moon is 251 multiplied by 10 to the power of 20 Hz. The electron is composed of photon and dark matter electrons. The frequency of the photon inside the electron. The energy equals Planck constant multiplied by frequency. Frequency is 10 to the power of 20 Hz. The period is 1 divided by frequency. The period T equals 8 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 21 seconds. The frequency of the photon inside the electron with a speed of 0.99998 divided by C is F equals 251 multiplied by 10 to the power of 20 Hz. The period T1 is 3.9 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 23 seconds. What means this? This means T is bigger than T1. It is time contraction, not time dilation. This is the moon internal clock runs faster, higher frequency. This means special relativity is wrong, it's quantum level. Einstein didn't understand special relativity. Because special relativity is wrong at quantum level, Einstein general relativity is wrong. This is another proof that the Nobel Laureates, the greatest scientist, the professor did not understand gravitation. Einstein's special relativity and Einstein's general relativity are old and wrong theories. In special relativity, how you can see, nobody explained the relativistic mass. In the next video, I'll explain the relativistic mass.